Scratchers, welcome back to another episode of the Top Down Minecraft series. So, let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is, well, happy Easter everyone. It is the 31st of the 3rd of March 2024. So happy Easter. It is Easter Sunday in my time obviously. Right, let's get into this episode. So finally we are making placing blocks. It's been a long time. But finally we are making placing blocks. It's been a long time since we've worked on the Top Down Minecraft series, but finally we continue it. This is part 1 of placing blocks, so there will be a part 2 on it next episode probably. Yeah. Alright, so let's get into this. So this is the game we have now, obviously, since I haven't worked on it. Like the platform series, I forgot the layout a bit. But this is what we got. I'm pretty sure we have animations. Oh, we have... Wait. Yes, we have animations here. We can break the blocks, like this is kind of cool, you know. We can break all the blocks and stuff. But if we don't want it, we can just leave our thing like this. And it does the job. And we also have this updating. I said you have to do it on here too, on the other blocks to make it look good. Anyways, let's get right into this episode. I mean, what are we waiting for? So, let's delete this other blocks thing, and let's make a new spot, name it blocks. So this is where all our blocks in the game will be stored, and this spot will link up to our inventory, which will be in a later episode, obviously. And I don't know why I cannot do this. Is that because there's clap blocks? Yes, it is. Right, so blocks. Now we're actually going to make our blocks. But for this example, I'm just going to do dirt, because that's a classic block in Minecraft. And you want to activate the square tool. Then you want to get the brown color, which I can't really find. Here it is. And you want to darken it out a bit. And then you can do it here. And you want no outline. Alright, I'm actually going to make that a bit more oranger because that kind of looks a bit bad, you know. So we're going to fix it. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so you want to scale it down a bit and make sure you snap it to the center. After that, you can add a bit of texture by going to the paint tool and making a darker brown. And by that, you can just scrape it on a couple of this stuff. So it looks relatively realistic. Alright, so you want to select the whole thing, or you can press Ctrl A, that's a tool I just learned the other day. And then you want to press this group button. Alright, after you press that, you can move. So this tool basically moves the pen and the shape at the same time. You can group multiple stuff. Make sure it's snapped to the center. And that is pretty a good shape. And I don't know what this is doing here. So we're going to have to ungroup this. And then we're going to click out and do that. Because it's a bit, you know. Alright, so we want to recenter this to the canvas. Alright. Recenter it. Alright, after we have our shape. That is pretty good. We already grouped it. Let's size it down. And let's move it back to the center. Alright, so that's a good block. Go into code. And you want to go to advanced and get a when green flag clicked block. In this when green flag clicked block, so I can say that, you want to go really to anywhere. You don't really need a X and Y, but I just like it somewhat. And then you want to make sure you have a show block, not a hide, alright? A show. Make sure you do a show. Alright? Because lots of people make mistakes there. Then, you want to get a warp in the control section. You want to get a repeat until block. Repeat until block. Outside that repeat until block, you want a forever loop. Alright, now let's get going. So, what do we do? Well, this is gonna be good. So, what? So you gotta do a key.
Phoenix, would you take that cardboard paper out, please? Put it on.
You gotta do a key, right?
No, that one, the big one, the box.
Oh, I forgot. So you want to go to motion, and you want to get a go-to mouse pointer. Alright, so this is where you can select a key. When you press it, something will happen. It's an event. But what key do you want? It could be any. This is to place the block actually down. So, you know, P stands for place, right? Well, it doesn't stand for what. Place starts with P and P is here. So let's do P, I guess. So when P is key pressed, you want to broadcast a new message. So get a broadcast, new message, broadcast, place, block, and press OK. After that broadcast, place, block, we want to get a when I receive, place, block. Now you're probably wondering, why did you just not do the code in here? Because you're gonna do it here. Well, this doesn't only mean we can spread it across each sprite. This also means it makes it look so much tidier, and I like that. So let's leave it. You don't have to do this, obviously, but you know, it's me. Okay. Well, when I say place block, we want to make a new variable, naming it times. Now, no, this is not maths, and there's a fly on my freaking computer. Get off, little punk. Get off. Alright, sorry for that. So, okay, 4 sprites, alright? And press OK. So, you want to go to the repeat until section and get it equal to block. You want to see if times, hide its variable as well, times is equal to 2, alright? And when the green flag is clicked, you want to set times to 0. And when I will see place block, set times, you guessed it, to 2. Right, now time to do this. Oh, sorry. This is supposed to be in here. Alright, fixed it up. Go to maths when it's supposed to be in. Just move it. Time to test. My favorite thing to do. Alright, so we have this guy. This is kind of destroyer. We will make buttons to toggle it on and off. We will make that later, actually. So, how do we place this? We have to B. So, let's see. Oh, this is kind of good and a bit good. Yeah, I like that. Let's do it again. Part 2 will be adding clone blocks and stuff so we can add more blocks. And you know. Alright, let's do this again. Make it like centered to it. And now we press B. I press B. And it stands still. See, you don't mess around here. You just build blocks and you're good, alright? And best of all, I can move forward. This is a good game. I can fail everyone. Great job. Now, our next step. Let's see the time. I know we still have lots. Told ya. Alright, anyways, let's do a bit more stuff because this is kind of minimized. Let's make a toggle switch so, you know, we don't have to. Let's make a level editor. I know, Minecraft does not have a level editor. It has an inventory and stuff where you can get the blocks. But when we make the inventory, that will be way better. So let's just make a toggle for now. So we only basically want this repeat until block if it's even on. So, yeah. So let's make a new variable to store this data, whatever you want to call it. Let's name it, how about we name it Times Junior, yeah. Okay, I'm joking, guys. So funny. I know I don't like to waste time, but that's kind of funny, alright? It's Easter, alright? The bunny is funny. Alright, sorry for that. Okay, make sure it's 4 sprites. Let's just name it Toggle. I'm so dumb. Alright, and you made it for all sprites. Press OK. you want to hide the toggle variable like we do, and you want to check if toggle
What was on? All the
if toggle is on. So if toggle is equal to on with a capital letter. Well, you don't have to, but I am. Alright, so we need to be able to toggle this on. Okay, so when space key pressed, you want to change this to a on, so it'd be O, right? O.
I've gone on the outside.
Yeah.
And you want to duplicate this by right-clicking and pressing duplicate. And now this one will be F for off, because we can't do O for both. And F. Alright, so let's get coding. Well, we already are. So, when the green flag is clicked, we want to set...
Why don't you play on the ground, Bubba?
We want to set...
You can't see the TV, buddy.
No, that's okay. It's all right.
Set
I'll get it.
toggle...
Doesn't matter. That's all right.
Set to what a bit. We want to set over here. Sorry. Set toggle to off no matter what. And then in here we want to set toggle to on. Alright? On. And then in here we want to set toggle to off. And you can move this back. Alright, one more thing. If the toggle is on, then we want to show this. And if it's off, we want to hide this. Time for a bit of magic. Oh, what the hell is that doing here, boy? Boy. I know, guys. I really am dumb. I really am. I really am. I thought I was dumb. Alright. Let's see if we have magic. Yes, we do. Not there. But O, give me that. F, bye-bye. O, F, O, F. See? And then when I press B, magic. Yeah, boy. But F. What the frick? Where did it freaking go? Oh my god. Well, we only want to hide this if... We only want to hide this if our variable is not equal to... If times is not equal to 2. So, we don't have any issues. So the times variable is equal to 2. Time for magic. Right click this and let's clean it up. And time to see what would happen. Green flag. Everything working. O. Can move it around. F. O. Alright, time for P. Alright, moment of truth. Oh, it works! It works! I cannot, it's stuck there, it's a permanent block. It actually works. And can I even do anything? This is magic. This is magic here, everyone. We have got magic. I actually do like that. We can jump, can move. Oh, yeah, this is a great game already. I can feel it. Also, change this to episode 9 if you haven't already. Alright, so, we're done. I am joking. Look how much time we have. I bet 14. We still have a couple minutes, so let's do something. I put a plus in the thumbnail next to play some locks, and that means we're going to do more. And that's exactly what we're doing. What do we do? Well, I feel like it's time for sound effects. A bit early, but it's time for sound effects. Now, I feel like we should make a walking sound. Yeah, that's classic. So, 1 minute, I'm going to say Minecraft walking sound. You can do whatever you want. You can get from, if you have already from your own computer, you can do that. But I'm just going to use the walking sound from here. Minecraft walking sound. Here, free Minecraft walking sound effects. Alright, so this, I don't know guys if you can hear this. Usually you can. No, let's just do walking. Yeah, good. Walking. Oh, I can't hear it because my microphone is plugged in. Oh, I forgot. But you guys can probably hear it. I don't know if this is a bad one or a good one, but it doesn't matter because we're downloading it, okay? So just wait for this to download. No. This has been a good video too. Can't wait for it to get out. It's already out probably by when you're watching it. Okay, so let's do that. So go to your backdrop slide, and we already have this here. So go to sounds, and you want to, you can either choose the sound, random sound, record if you want to, or you can upload a sound. Okay, so you want to find it in downloads, and you want to go here, and you want to go open. Oh, sorry. Alright, now you want to go to sound, and you want to go to play sound until done, not start sound, okay? Because if you do start sound, it will be distorted, alright? Just trust me on that one. If you want to do play sound, you can choose it. This is my sound until done. That's in good, not start sound, okay? Let's get that clip. So now you should be able to play the music. Now I can't hear it because my microphone is plugged in, but you should be able to hear it, so that's good. I'm just gonna make sure my OBS. Wait, is it even on? Can you guys even hear this? Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh, I know. It's because sometimes Skype bugs up on the sound. That's probably why you guys can't hear it. Alright, sorry for that. Alright, anyways. Press that save now button. I got something to tell you. This will be the end of this episode. If you do, make sure you do like and subscribe. That will help me a ton, because we have like 35 subscribers. Good guys. All right, happy Easter. Hope you have the best of hope you have the best of the west of your Easter, and goodbye, Scratchers.